bodhisattvas. It is the unification of our true nature and vows with the true nature and vows of Buddhas and bodhisattvas. Similarly, we need to unify with all people including other Tao members by getting along with them. We need to learn to be more cooperating, understanding, tolerating, and forgiving, so we can form a perfect union. Confucius said, "Do not do unto others as you would not have others do unto you." The last words of Jesus Christ were also words of forgiveness. In order to form a perfect union with others, we have to be more understanding and forgiving. If we cannot form unity with the people in our society, how can we form unity with the rest of the world and achieve great harmony? The heavenly hand sign is also a token for returning to the heavenly home.
现在来探讨一下三宝的修持。
Now, let us examine further the practice of the three treasures.
三宝珍藏蕴含道统真传、天命真传、心法真传，这三样每一样都很重要。
The three treasures encompass the true transmission based on the lineage of Tao and the mandate of heaven. It is the wordless heart-to-heart transmission. Each of the three treasures is equally important.
求道时点传师点的右手点完玄关之后，会用左手在玄关前做一个覆盖的动作。此动作之意义为何呢？简单的说，左手的手掌心就像一面镜子，要我们用此自信之光向内照视自己，也就是一般所称之回光返照，自我省察、自我检视，也是修行的开始。
During the Tao receiving ceremony, Tao transmitting Master pointed at our heavenly portal with his right hand and made a gesture of covering it up with his left hand. What does this gesture mean? Simply speaking, the left palm is a metaphor for a mirror. The gesture signifies the constant use of this mirror to examine our inner selves. Self-introspection and self-examination are the beginning steps of Tao cultivation.
每个人自身有个自性真主人在当家，不是由眼、耳、鼻、舌、身、意六根产生之六种情境当家，也就是说，不被眼见之事物、耳听到之声音、鼻子所闻到之气味、舌头尝到之味道、身体所触摸到的东西及自身之习性来掌控我们。
Every single person has a true nature or true master who is in charge of the mind and body. We should not let the six perceptions produced by the six roots of sensation, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body, and mind, be the master. In other words, we should not let what we see with our eyes, what we hear with our ears, what we smell with our nose, what we taste with our tongue, what we feel with our body, and what we think with our mind, be in control.
现代人生活过于忙碌，需要留点时间收心。济公活佛老师慈悲说过， 平时常手旋，祥和之气自然会引发善因缘的发生。为什么我们修道到最后心性无法再提升？因为我们很少去反省自己，甚至从来不问问自己内心深处什么是我们的真正需求，什么是我们的根本。若不从根本上去下功夫，以为来佛堂听道理就是修道，心性当然无法提升。
Nowadays, everyone lives a very busy life, so we need to spare some time to relax and bring peace back into our mind. Our holy teacher, Jigon Living Buddha, mercifully said, in your daily life, you need to find a suitable time and place to focus on the heavenly portal and empty your thoughts. Then, the peace and harmony around you will attract good affinities. How come our mind hasn't been elevated even though we have cultivated for some time? It is because we seldom examine ourselves. We never introspect ourselves, try to figure out what our needs are, and what the root is. If we think doubt cultivation is merely coming to the temple and listening to the Tao lectures, then our mind could never be elevated. The reason is that we do not cultivate from the root.
光可以说是动植物的一个生命之原点和同，代表一阴一阳融合在一起，正负阴阳磁场能相通。守道和同，平日诚心敬意叩首礼拜，加上佛光的照耀及平日的行功立德，对身心健康有莫大之助益。
Light can be recognized as the source of life for animals and plants. The heavenly hand sign symbolizes the combination of yin and yang and the connection between the positive and negative magnetic fields. When we hold the heavenly hand sign and pay respect to heaven and Buddhas wholeheartedly, the heavenly light will shine on us. This heavenly blessing and the daily accumulation of merits and virtues will benefit us greatly in every aspect.
修持三宝时，首先要做的就是自我的反省，然后向第一宝自信佛忏悔感恩。生生世世以来，我们不断地在轮回，身口意不断造业，污染了自信佛，让其承担了罪业，不需忏悔。同时也因为自信的作用，的肉身得以行功立德，利己利人，不需感恩于他。
When practicing these three treasures, the first thing we need to do is to truly introspect ourselves. Then, we need to sincerely repent and thank our true nature. We had been through many cycles of life and death. In every cycle, we created karma, good and bad. The bad karma we created had polluted our true nature. At the end of every cycle, we burdened our true nature with the sins we committed. Therefore, we need to repent for the mistakes and bad karma we created with our bodies. However, It is because of the possession of this physical body that we have the opportunity to accumulate merits and virtues and create good karma to benefit ourselves and others. Thus, we need to thank our true nature for guiding our physical body in doing these good deeds.
第二宝，常默念5字真言，让心中的爱自然流露出来，爱自己，爱众生。第三宝，多包容宽恕别人。260中，无论身在何处，更要时时提醒自己的心，愿力要和仙佛菩萨的心愿力相合。
If you silently recite the second treasure, the heavenly mantra, often, then you will naturally love yourself and all sentient beings. If you use the third treasure often, then you will be reminded to be more tolerant and forgiving.
80001
Always remind yourself that you need to unify your heart and vows with the heart and vows of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas.
04
道场处处都是行功了月的机会，要多行才师法师无畏师，度化更多众生。
_09 _10 _11 _12 _13 _14 _15 _16 _17 _18 _19 _20 _21 _22 _23 _24 _25 _26 _27 _28 _29 _30 _31 _32 _33 _34 _35 _36 _37 _38 _391 _01 01 1. Good morning. 2. Did the alarm clock go off? 3. It's time to get up. 4. Get up soon. 5. Are you awake? 6. Are you feeling sick? 7. Did you sleep well? 8. Would you turn off the alarm clock? 9. You finally got up. 10. It's a nice day. 11. Did you stay up late last night? 12. Let's fold up the futon. 13. You were snoring last night. 14. I had a nightmare. 15. You left the light on. 16. I have to go wash my face. 17. It's time to eat breakfast. 18. I'm still sleepy. 19. I'm still yawning. 20. I have a hangover. 21. I'm a night person. 22. Coffee wakes me up. 23. Did you brush your teeth? 24. I have to comb my hair. 25. What should I wear? 26. Hurry up and get dressed. 27. Put those pajamas away. 28. I'm leaving. Bye mom. 29. Let's play hooky today. 30. You're wearing your sweater inside out. 31. It's upside down. 32. Don't forget to take out the garbage. 33. It's your turn to take out the garbage. 34. What are you doing today? 35. If you don't hurry, we'll be late. 36. Hurry or you'll be late for school. 37. Did you lock the door? 38. Aren't you forgetting something? 39. It's already 8 o'clock. 40. I'm late. 41. I have to rush. 42. Are you gonna be late today? 43. What time are you coming home? 44. Have you got your lunchbox? 45. It might rain today. 46. Don't forget to lock the door when you leave. 02. 1. I'm home. 2. Welcome home. 3. Did you have a good time? 4. How did it go today? 5. Can I go out to play? 6. I'm hungry. 7. Where are the snacks? 8. I'm going to cram school now. 9. May I have my allowance? 10. I'm tired.